Welcome back to J Learning Hub. In today's Business English conversation lesson, we're discussing a major trend in the entertainment industry: streaming platforms and corporate acquisitions. Why are large media companies merging? What does it mean for competition? And how do regulators respond? Let's learn business English through a realistic business discussion. Have you noticed how many media companies are merging lately?
Yes, it seems like every year there's another billion-dollar acquisition in the entertainment industry.
Exactly. Streaming platforms are competing aggressively for content and market share.
And when competition intensifies, consolidation often follows.
So, why do companies pursue acquisitions like this?
There are several reasons. First, acquiring a competitor can instantly increase market share.
It also gives access to intellectual property and established brands.
Right. Instead of building new content from scratch, companies can purchase an existing content library.
But acquisitions of this size require enormous capital.
Yes, companies often finance deals using cash reserves, debt financing, or stock swaps.
And investors usually evaluate whether the acquisition will create long-term value.
Exactly. If the deal improves profitability and reduces competition, shareholders may support it.
However, regulators sometimes intervene.
That's because governments enforce antitrust laws to prevent monopolies.
In simple terms, they don't want one company controlling the entire market.
Correct. If one platform dominates distribution and content creation, it could reduce consumer choice.
How might this affect consumers?
There could be higher subscription prices or fewer independent productions.
But there could also be benefits, like improved efficiency and stronger global distribution.
Yes, consolidation can create economies of scale.
Do you think these acquisitions are sustainable long term?
That depends. Companies must balance growth with innovation.
If they focus only on expansion without maintaining quality, they risk losing subscribers.
Exactly. Strategy without execution leads to failure.
So, would you say the industry is at a turning point?
Absolutely. Streaming platforms must adapt to changing consumer behavior and increasing regulatory scrutiny.
It seems the real competition is no longer just content, it's strategic positioning.
And in business, positioning often determines long term survival.
Now let's review today's business English vocabulary. Acquisition, when one company purchases another company. Market share, the percentage of total sales controlled by a company. Consolidation, the process of companies combining to form a larger organization. Capital, financial resources used to fund business activities. Antitrust laws, government regulations that prevent unfair market dominance. Economies of scale, cost advantages gained by producing at a larger scale. Regulatory scrutiny, close examination by government authorities.
Today, we learned that corporate acquisitions are influenced by competition, financial strategy, regulatory pressure, market positioning. Understanding these concepts will help you confidently participate in professional discussions about business and global markets.
If you want to improve your English through real business topics and professional conversations, subscribe to J Learning Hub and tell me in the comments, do you think media mergers benefit consumers or reduce competition?